EM10 Mark II. See how the shutter is stuck? Okay, there's a couple tricks. This is a really special detoxifying. It's good for metal and it stops things from getting stuck. Then I also have Endust, and you have to have really special hammers. First thing I do is I spray the crap out of this into here, okay? Then so I don't get any chemicals in my face, I will put the OM cap on. Now this is the hardest part. You gotta be real careful. Now I turn the other side over. Now it's working pretty well. I'm sure I can tell. Oh shit, okay, hold on. All right, now I'm gonna let it sit, blow off a little of this. I'm gonna let it dry for about 30 seconds. See the cap, I better wash it off. Got too much of that cleaner renew on it. I want it to dry really well. It's a really good chemical for cleaning everything. It's almost dry. Okay, now it's dry. I'm gonna open it up carefully. All right, notice the shutter is not there anymore. Watch. It's amazing. The hammer, tuner fix, and a little air powder. But this is the key. It's a special computer and it's a special mallet that's made for photography, so that it doesn't mar the outside of the camera, but it gives you plenty of pressure. If you need it, send your camera into us. We'll see what we can do for you. Have a great day.